Go to Master menu, select Consultant Master. Click on Add button, enter the consultant name. Click on Save. Click on Search. Multiple consultant can be Go to Master menu. Select Consultant Master Auto Upload. Click on Attach File. Select the file available in your system path. Click on Up. Go to Entry menu list. Select Broker Bill, Equity F&O Cum, Currency. Search respective bill entries. Select the respective bill. Click OK. Present consultant entry. Go to Tools Utilities. Select Consultant Transfer menu. Go to Add button. Select the original consultant. Click OK. Select the new consultant. Click OK. Select the script. Click OK. Click OK again. Select the script names. Save the data to check. Go to Reports menu. Select Equity Derivatives Gain Loss. Select STLT Speculations. Select the consultant. Click OK. Select to check report. Click OK again. Please check revised data. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.